When it comes to managing your business finances as a contractor, both FreshBooks and Sage Business Cloud promise to make your life easier, but which one actually delivers the best support for contractors? Today, I'm diving deep into both platforms to see how they compare and which one stands out in the key areas contractors care about most. Keep watching to find out which one really gives you the tools and support you need to get ahead. Let's start with FreshBooks. It's widely known for its user-friendly design, and many contractors love its simple interface. It's easy to navigate, which is a big deal when you're juggling client work and financial management. FreshBooks lets you create invoices quickly, track time, and manage expenses, all crucial for contractors who need to keep things simple. However, there's a downside. It doesn't offer as much depth when it comes to features tailored to larger businesses or advanced accounting needs. For those just getting started or working solo, FreshBooks might be the best option, but for contractors who want a bit more flexibility, you may hit a wall eventually. Next thing, customer support. This is a big factor for contractors who need help fast. FreshBooks has a pretty solid reputation for responsive support through chat, email, and phone. They also have a robust help center with articles and guides. But here's the thing, some users report that the support can be slow during peak times, which can be frustrating when you need an answer urgently. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. Moving on to Sage Business Cloud. Sage has been around for a long time and is known for its comprehensive features aimed at small to medium-sized businesses. For contractors, Sage provides tools for managing multiple projects and clients, which is a huge bonus if you're juggling several contracts at once. Its invoicing capabilities are on par with FreshBooks, but it goes further by offering strong integration options, especially with payroll and accounting software, which many contractors may need as they scale. One drawback, however, is that Sage's interface isn't as intuitive as FreshBooks. It has a steeper learning curve, so if you're someone who wants to jump right in and get started, Sage might feel a bit overwhelming at first. The fourth thing, support. Sage offers 24/7 customer support via phone and email, which is great, but the quality of that support varies. Some users report excellent experiences, while others feel the support team isn't always as helpful as they should be, especially for more complex issues. The knowledge base is extensive, but it may take some time to dig through and find the exact answer you need. This mixed feedback puts Sage slightly behind FreshBooks in terms of reliability. Next, let's talk about pricing. FreshBooks tends to be more affordable for solo contractors or those just starting out. Its pricing structure is straightforward, with a tiered system based on the number of clients and features you need. Sage, on the other hand, has a more complex pricing model, which might make it less appealing for contractors who are just looking for a basic solution. However, for contractors who need more advanced tools, Sage's higher tier plans offer solid value in terms of features like project management, advanced reporting, and payroll. Lastly, if you're wondering which software is better overall for contractors, while both FreshBooks and Sage Business Cloud have their merits, I'd say FreshBooks offers the best support for those who are just getting started or running a small operation. It's easy to use, and you get decent support when needed. But here's the catch: if you want an even better solution that is streamlined for contractors, without all the complexity of Sage and with more advanced features than FreshBooks, there's a better alternative out there. After trying both FreshBooks and Sage myself, I found a platform that truly caters to contractors. It's simpler than Sage and more robust than FreshBooks. If you want a better alternative for your contractor business, make sure to take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using my link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to my viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get the best deal for managing your contractor business finances more effectively.